Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. I'm here with Patoya.
Hey, Silent. Just letting you know, like I always say. We're doing airplanes. We're playing
Airplane Story,
and so we're gonna have to survive a bunch of levels. But let's get into it.
Come on. Okay.
Which one?
Let's go.
One. Get A.
Gate A. By the way, guys, my game is so laggy. I have no idea why. I'm next to Patoya. Yay!
Hello.
Hello, Mike. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Why can't we do at least some music? Okay, like at least. Hey. Okay, so we're going in. Yay, okay. I'm 9C. 9C.
We have selected seats, guys.
9C.
My game is so slow. His is so fast. We have no idea why. I am going to lose health really fast.
9C.
Come on, game. Please hurry. Hurry, game.
10A. Oh, you're over there. That sucks. You're over there.
Where are you?
I'm 9C. You're 10A. You're all the way. You keep going. You're like one. So, why are you in first class?
Because I am first class. Ching. Okay.
10 and then A. So you're one behind me.
Oh, I see you.
And then A is all the way over there. All the way in the corner.
No, I saw it. I don't want. No! No! Hi.
I'm gonna play some video games.
I'm next to a window.
Lucky.
No, that's bad.
How?
The monster.
Isn't he on the right wing?
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah,
we're good.
yeah.
We good. As you guys can see, Patoya's on. If I can zoom up, nope, I can't.
You can't.
Well, he's somewhere.
I see you.
Well, in his perspective, he can see me. So
We're taking off.
he's over there. If you guys can
I'm
see.
gonna have some volume.
Okay, we can put at least a little bit of volume. One. I'll just put 1. That is so. I am so sorry, guys. Feel free to get out of your seats and explore the plane. I'm staying in my seat.
Smack. I wish we could have first class. That would be great.
I know, because they have like shields, lights. If you guys know the YouTuber Tina the Tiger, she has played the daycare version of this. Oh, it's starting! Let's go, baby! The first time me and Patoya played this, we screamed so hard.
We died.
Yeah, we died in the game, and our lungs hurted.
There are noobs in here, and they're like, "What's happening?" A noob said that.
Really?
Yeah. I'm going like this.
You're gonna play. I just stand in the middle between both of them. Oh, if you guys can hear that. If you guys heard that, that's on your side! It's, you guys can see him, and you guys just saw him. I'm so scared, guys. He's scary. Apparently me and Patoya. Oh my god, that was so scary. He's close to Patoya. He just passed me and Patoya. Patoya, he's close to you. Patoya, he's close to you. Patoya, he's close to you. He's behind you.
And to anybody who's watching this, please don't do it. This is an accident.
Guys, if you guys are getting scared, please leave a like. Because this is scary.
And if there's 100 likes, we won't play this anymore.
What?
Because it's so scary.
Okay. Guys, don't mind the. If you guys hear the noise in the background, don't mind it. No. Guys. Help. I don't know if you guys saw that, but the monster was right there. It was killing me. Like me losing health.
Okay, I'm at 40 health.
I'm at me too. Run! Joya, I'm about to die.
What health are you at?
25.
I'm at 35. Woo!
Third.
Dude almost had it. I forgot how to this time.
Really?
Ouchies, that hurt.
Who said that?
Owies.
That hurts.
Okay, the thunderstorm's gonna happen.
If you guys want us to play the daycare version, leave
10 likes.
10 likes.
10 likes.
Should I eat the pizza? Yeah. No, I'll save the pizza.
Smart idea. Cause when the apples.
I'm not eating enough.
No, that's true.
I mean, I think it makes you, but
And then we eat the pizza.
shank you with my pizza.
Now
Shank.
it's a thunderstorm time.
I wonder how much health that girl's have. I am on red.
I'm on orange. I think she's on orange or green.
She's on yellow. Hello, everyone.
This is
This is your
Mama.
co-pilot speaking. It seems that we're going through a thunderstorm
With severe turbulence.
and severe turbulence.
Sorry. ...
We would like to ask everyone to return to their seats.
At least just say thank you. At least say thank you.
Boys. If I die soon, we're gonna go on another plane because then the video's gonna be too short, guys.
Yeah, that's
Yeah.
7 minutes? That's very short.
Oh God, first person.
First person.
Oh my God.
You know what to do, we know what to do.
Wait. The life jackets. It's fun in your seat.
No, but the fire's close to me.
So you, not me.
Got it.
My life jacket.
So we all spawn in the middle. Okay, we all spawn in the middle.
I'm sitting down again.
Don't do that.
No, because you're still gonna be on the water.
That's true. So you gotta hop.
That was the girl sitting next to me, guys.
You could be.
We're gonna die! We're gonna die! I fainted! Input, I fainted! By the way, guys, in the water there's a shark. So if you guys want to play this game, just giving you a heads up. And the water's killable.
Done.
Hop.
Oh, 18 health.
Guys, I'm gonna die.
I'm on dark red, or I'm on dark orange.
Guys,
I'm on dark orange. Everybody at least took damage.
no, you see how much? I think I'm the lowest here. I'm scared.
Noise.
The shark.
The shark.
The shark has come, mate.
The shark.
Shark. She's about to say shark. Shark. Everybody run, mate. Run. Scalio, mate. Thing isn't moving. Bye.
You're dead.
Bye. No, yeah, I am. 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8. Bye. Bye.
We get to the island pretty fast.
The shark's gonna kill me in 3, 2, 1. Bye, shark. Hi, shark. Guys, as you can see, I just died. If you want to respawn, you need Robux. So, kill yourself.
So he's respawning.
Yeah, I'm respawning.
I'm horrible at parkour, so wish me luck.
Yeah,
So this is where we come out of at the end.
they can't see your perspective.
That's true. Where's that Remember, no apples. Thanks. Thank God. Somebody's thinking smart here.
I thought that too.
Beep. Okay.
Somebody has won 104 wins.
Sorry guys, technical difficulties. Huge technical difficulties. You guys just gotta wait. You may want to skip through this. Okay, guys, take more and more technical difficulties. Technical difficulties. Yep, more technical difficulties. Yep, he just came.
You told them that I left?
No.
Well, I left because of a certain thing that happened, so.
Oh my gosh, where's the shelter? Found it. Is that it?
In the
Where's the hole?
in the certain timestamp, I'm gonna say a word and tell me when you guys hear the word. The word is gonna be bananas.
Get it. I just finished the parkour.
Oh, you survived? I'm
Yeah.
surprised.
I just finished the parkour.
Surprise the mundo. Where'd the pizza go?
I ate it.
Instead of the apple? Watch it say the pizza's rotten. So guys,
muted it. Sorry guys, technical difficulties.
So, sorry about this video. It's because my little brother's still getting used to me being a YouTuber and like recording videos. Oh, it's really hard to do this while being a kid with school. While he's doing that, I'm gonna just tell you guys about something.
Yep.
So,
Wait.
So yeah. In some of my videos, you might get like interrupted by him, and just try not to mind it.
Please not.
Because sooner when we were playing Adopt Me to like record a video, his computer
Almost exploded.
it was heating up, so we had to like take it off and turn it off. So yeah, we were planning to record a video on Adopt Me. So yeah. Should I stop the video? Guys, I just might just stop the video. I've never made it that far.
I died.
He just died.
I just died.
Look, he just died, so I guess we're gonna meet up here. But go back to the seats that we did the intro.
You want to start the video?
Yeah.
Okay.
Guys, sorry about the delay. It's just that I'm really bad at this game, and yeah. Oh, somebody had to replace. Oh, well then.
So,
Wait. So we'll see you guys in the next one. Hit that ding 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 bell,
and
subscribe, and
see you later.
like our videos, and like
See you
he
later.
said, see you later.